Today I'm teaching you how to make that extra smoky patty jollof rice at home. Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. If today is the first day you're joining, you are welcome. I am Dekas from Nigeria and I teach people how to make Nigerian recipes on my channel. Stay tuned to the end to know how you can make that patty jollof rice at home. We're going to be using the tomatoes, shomgbo, that's the chili peppers, the onions, garlic, some other things. I'm going to be listing the accurate ingredients on the description box below. We're going to be removing the seeds in these tomatoes, then wash it very well, then still clean up the water and then roast. We're going to be roasting it on a pot, but if you have oven you can just put it in your baking pan. Just put it inside or baking tray and put it inside your oven to dry up. We want to get this flavor, smoky flavor from the vegetables before we blend it and set it aside for the jollof rice. So a big clip in this video was disappearing. By the time my battery went off, I charged, and when I on my battery, this particular clip was cleaned. It was the place I was frying the meat and then frying the tomatoes, and where I added the chicken broth and then added back the rice. I was so devastated. I don't know what to do, but I guess I had to go on with this video. I must post this video, please. You guys should bear with me, but there's a video link. I've made the jollof rice before, the same method you're going to use and fry your tomatoes. Please just help me and watch this video. Thank you so much. Jollof rice is an African staple dish that you could eat in Nigerian parties. If you don't see this food in parties, if you don't see any other food, you're sure to see jollof rice and salad and maybe fried rice before you even talk of swallow. So this is a must-test dish. I'm seriously telling you guys this. We're going to be parboiling our rice and washing neatly, keeping aside for the jollof rice. So we're going to be seasoning our meat with some onions, all the condiments to be listed in the description box. We're going to be cooking this meat very well to be tasty. Then after cooking it well, we're going to be frying it. That was where I told you guys that I lost the clip. I think when my battery went off after charging, seriously I did not see this clip. So after I cooked this meat, I fried it, then sauced it in the pepper, and trust me, it was tasting so delicious. It was so delish. Seriously, you need to try this out and tell me how it really came out, okay? After frying the meat, we're going to be adding sliced onions. Then fry it a bit. We're going to be frying it a bit. Then we add those blended roasted tomatoes, chili peppers, onions, garlic, everything that we blended together. Then we add it to the fried oil. Then when we fry a bit, we add our paste fry everything very well, add all the condiments, our seasoning, then we add in the chicken broth, then we add back our rice, our washed, remember our boiled rice. At this stage we add it back and mix it. Please don't over add water so that your jollof will not be that saggy when you're through. So we also cover it with a foil paper, so that all the heat will be trapped, and we allow this to dry very well and also burn a little bit. This will also help in adding the smoky taste to our rice, and voila, our rice is ready. We're going to be opening up and we're going to be turning it very, very well. Trust me, our rice is ready to be enjoyed. Ready to be enjoyed as if we went to party in our own house. So this is just the simplest way to make a smoky jollof rice. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, drop a comment and subscribe to the channel. Bye, and see you in my other recipe videos.